Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today for Lance in Illinois on this Galaxy DX-959B. Okay, we've done an RFX-95 to it, HD. And the receiver improvement monitor, we got this mic on here. So it'll be hard to listen to ourselves because we got a power mic. I'm going to take and put a low power slug, what do I do with it? Right here, 50 watt. Turn the switch off in the back. Turn the power all the way down on AM. Okay, we'll check it out. 10 watts on the top scale, coming about half a watt there. I'm on the wrong scale, that's why. Here we go. Not half a watt, 1 watt. So 3.5 watts, 3.25. On the 50 peak reading meter, that's right in the middle scale. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. Check, audio, 1, 2. I got that tightened up because of what it's going to be when we turn that amp on. We don't want it to go haywire on us. And this is the sideband. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Audio. Audio, check, check. Alright, now full power out of this radio. We'll take and throw that switch up. I'll turn this one down again just to start. Put that back on AM. You see it starts with a 4 watt dead key. I'm going to put a 100 slug over here. 100 slug. We're going to have it across the bottom now. Audio. Check, check, check. Seeing up with 4 swinging 100. Audio. And if I turn that all the way up, then we end up with almost 20. Audio. Swinging 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. And finally, the sideband. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. About 90 in there. Audio. Check, check, check. Check, check. Okay. Back to AM. Let's flip it over there. Alright, Bagger 19 for a radio check.
It's working.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.